Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute burpees step-ups cardio workout, and you're going to need some kind of step, either one in your house or a portable one like this one. We're going to start with step-ups, so get ready. And go step up, drive up the opposite knee, and drive up the opposite hand, just like you're running. So if your left knee's up, your right arm's up, and you're exhaling as you drive that knee up. Don't sacrifice form for speed. Don't trip as you go up the step. Just step up and drive it. Stop and shuffle and touch. Get ready to take 2 shuffles and then touch the ground. Go. I'm shuffling to the left and touch and shuffle to the right and touch. Doesn't matter which way you shuffle first, and it doesn't matter which hand you touch the ground with. And when you touch the ground, push your butt back and squat. Don't just bend over from your waist. Stop and burpees. These are going to be fun. So get ready to do a squat and put your hands on the ground. That's the secret. Go. Squat down, put your hands on the ground, push up, and jump. Now, you can leave off the push-up if it's too hard for you. Leave off the jump if you have impact issues, but you got to go horizontal. But I find the secret is to do a squat and stick your butt back so your hands don't have to go down too far to the ground. Stop, Hindu squats, and we're going to do the modified Hindu squat. I'll show you how to do that. Get ready to squat down and touch your ankles with your hands. Go, squat down, touch your ankles, and when you come up, bring your hands all the way up, stick the hat on your head, make sure your back's at least at a 45-degree angle, and stick your butt back. And I need you to exhale as you compress. You can probably hear me exhaling like a steam engine. Stop, and that's the order. It's not going to change. Step ups coming up. Get ready. Go, step up, drive up the knee, step up, drive up that knee. Good. And don't forget to breathe. Exhale. And it's the easiest to blow that air out as you drive that knee up. Step up and drive up that knee. Stop, shuffle, and touch again. Get ready to take 2 shuffles. Go, shuffle, 2 shuffles, bend over, touch, and touch. Shuffle and touch, and when you bend over to touch the ground, do a squat. Stick that butt back, bend your knees, and squat. Don't just bend from your waist. You're wasting all that musculature there. Stop. Burpees again. Here we go. And go. Squat down, down, and push up and up and jump. Squat down, hands down, push up, and jump. You can leave out the push up and you can leave out the jump if you got issues, but you got to go horizontal. Stop. And the Hindu squat, modified. Get ready. Go, squat down, touch the ankles, hands up, put the hat on your head. And exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand back up. It's the easiest way to do it. Kind of counterintuitive, but that's the way you should do it. And exhale as you squat. Stop. Okay, what we're going to do is going to take a 30-second break. Take some deep breaths, stretch it out, take a sip of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Okay, we're going to get ready for round 2. Order's going to be exactly the same. Take a few more deep breaths, 10 seconds, maybe another sip of water. Going to start with step ups, same order. Get ready. Go, step up and drive up that knee. Step up, drive up the opposite knee. And we're swinging up the opposite arm from the knee you're driving. Exhaling as we drive that knee up. Stop and shuffle and touch. Get ready for 2 shuffles. 2 shuffles away from that step, huh? And go. Shuffle and touch. 2 shuffles and touch. Make sure that you're squatting, bending those knees, sticking that butt back, and exhale as you reach down to touch too. Stop. Burpees. Get ready. Go. Squat, put your hands down, and push up and jump. Squat, put your hands down, push up and jump. Try to be smooth with these, because smooth is fast. The smoother you are, the faster you go. Stop and Hindu squats modified. Goes, take your butt back, hands down, and up. Put that hat on your head. And as you compress, exhale. Inhale as you stand back up. Stop and step ups with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go, step up and drive that knee up. Step and drive the knee up. Nice and smooth. Go fast as you can, but do not sacrifice that form. Do not sacrifice driving up that knee. We want to engage those glutes and quads. Stop, shuffle and touch. Get ready. Go, 2 shuffles and touch, 2 shuffles and touch. We're squatting, sticking that butt back, bending those knees. Exhaling as you reach down. Stop and burpees with 1 minute to go. Get ready. You should be a pro at these right now. And go down, push up, and jump. Like I said before, you can leave out the push up, leave out the jump if you have impact issues, but you gotta go horizontal. Stop. Hindu squats modified. Get ready. Go, squat down, brush the ankles, reach up, put the hat on your head. Exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand up. Fast as you can. Squat as deeply as you can. I need to say that. Deeply as is comfortable for you. Try to go all the way down and touch those ankles. Stop. Okay. If this workout somehow was too short for you, all you need to do is rewind it and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure you click on this video for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.